Hello everybody, this is video number 5, I think, and we are going to talk about part 2, so section 2 of the brochure. This is going to be page 22 of your brochure, right? Let's have a look. So part 2, the role of NGOs. First of all, NGO means non-governmental organization. Organisation non gouvernementale. Généralement, on dira des associations. Non-governmental organizations. First of all, you should have one picture. I hope you recognize the WWF, the World Wildlife Fund, with the cute little panda. The second one, this one is Greenpeace. This one is Sea Shepherd. And finally, this is Extinction Rebellion. So part A, we're going to see Sea Shepherd, which is a very controversial NGO. Part B, we're going to see the response of traditional powers to NGOs. In part C, we're going to see Greenpeace's tactics. And finally, part D is going to be about raising awareness and how NGOs use different platforms to raise awareness. Again, we are on page 22, the role of NGOs. Today we just see Sea Shepherd. You have seen the video. You can watch it again if you need. And I need you to write a recap. You can write one in pencil on a spare piece of paper, on a separate piece of paper. This is the recap I propose. It's more difficult, more complicated than what you are expected to write, but this is very good vocabulary. Let's see. So Sea Shepherd, a very controversial NGO. Controversial tactics, the dolphin protest in Paris. In this video, Sea Shepherd activists are filmed walking into the Trocadero Square with big plastic bags on stretchers. Dans cette vidéo, des activistes de Sea Shepherd sont filmés en train de marcher sur la place du Trocadéro, en train d'arriver sur la place du Trocadéro, avec des grands sacs plastiques sur des brancards, stretchers brancards. They open the bags and take out dead dolphins, which they lay down on the pavement. Ils ouvrent les sacs et en sortent des dauphins morts qu'ils allongent sur le pavé, sur le sol. They then gather behind a banner while people take pictures. Ils se regroupent ensuite derrière une bannière, derrière un... J'ai perdu le mot. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire? Un panneau? Pas vraiment un panneau parce que c'est fluide. Derrière une bannière, tandis que des gens prennent des photos. The purpose of these actions is to make a point, to be heard, to make people react, to shock people, to shine a light on something. Le but de ces actions est de montrer quelque chose du doigt, d'être entendu, de faire réagir les gens, de choquer les gens, de mettre un coup de projecteur sur quelque chose. In this case, they want to shed a light on the killing of dolphins or inhuman fishing methods which result in the deaths of innocent animals. Dans le cas présent, dans ce cas, ils veulent mettre en lumière la tuerie des dauphins, le fait de tuer des dauphins, ou les méthodes de pêche inhumaines qui ont pour résultat la mort d'animaux innocents. Now we have a second video. This is video 202.
So this morning inside the critical zone, we saw a few pangas just constantly in the same spot and other pangas approaching. So we decided to go up to them with Profepa on board and have them approach them and ask them why they're fishing in the critical zone and if they can leave. And as soon as we got about a mile from them, they started coming at us. 4 pangas just surrounded us, chased us. And then it stopped again, and then all of a sudden, bam, they all came again, chased us, they stopped, and then we heard gunshots. So yeah, gunshots in the critical zone. We got straight into piracy. Everybody reacted really well. Nobody got hurt. But just shows how aggressive the poachers are here. It proves to us that they are armed and that we need to take every panga that we come across serious because we have no idea what they're capable of.
The name of the document is Shots Fired at Sea Shepherd's Ship. What do we see in the video? Well, in this video filmed on a Sea Shepherd ship, we see and we hear a crew member who explains how dangerous their missions can be. Dans cette vidéo filmée sur un vaisseau de Sea Shepherd, on entend et on voit un membre de l'équipage qui explique à quel point leurs missions peuvent être dangereuses. How dangerous their missions can be, à quel point, how, leurs missions peuvent être, can be, dangereuses. In this case, poachers fired shots in the direction or in the presence of the ship. Dans le cas présent, des braconniers ont tiré dans la direction ou en tout cas en présence du bateau. Poachers are people who hunt animals in protected zones. Les braconniers sont des gens qui chassent des animaux dans des zones protégées. Often the animals are themselves protected or endangered species, or in an environment that should be left alone. Souvent, les animaux sont eux-mêmes des espèces protégées ou des espèces en voie de disparition, en danger, ou alors dans un environnement qui devrait être laissé tranquille. Sea Shepherd contends that their ships patrol the zone and ask poachers to leave, as poaching is illegal and endangers wildlife. Sea Shepherd prétend, alors attention, prétendre dans le sens juridique, dans le sens il avance l'argument que. Donc Sea Shepherd prétend, avance l'argument que leur bateau patrouille la zone et demande aux braconniers de partir, car le braconnage est illégal et met en danger la vie sauvage. Here, an NGO, non-governmental power, is fighting another power, illegal, the poachers, and enforcing the law enacted by the state. Ici, une association, une organisation non gouvernementale, donc un pouvoir non gouvernemental, se bat contre un autre pouvoir, illégal celui-ci, les braconniers, et fait respecter la loi qui a été mise en place par l'État. However, the video was filmed, edited and posted by Sea Shepherd, so it only shows one side of the story. Sea Shepherd controls the narrative here. Cependant, en revanche, la vidéo a été filmée, éditée et postée par Sea Shepherd, donc ça ne montre qu'un seul côté de l'histoire. C'est Sea Shepherd qui contrôle la façon dont on exploite ces images et qui contrôle l'histoire. Voilà. C'est tout ce que j'avais pour vous aujourd'hui. La prochaine fois, on travaillera sur The Response of Traditional Powers avec Extinction Rebellion. I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a very good day. Stay safe and stay in touch with your family. Goodbye.